I would like to tell about the submissions part. So generally we have three submissions like summary of experience and case study. So I would like to give a suggestion to the new MRICS aspirants how to take this summary of experience and case study in it to just 2 or 3 sentences. So when you are doing this summary of experience, take the guidelines notes of MRICS first and write all the keywords what suggested by the MRICS. But in each and every pathway there is a guidelines created by MRICS. So with that guidelines, choose the competencies and take the keywords, write the keywords. With this keyword relate to your experience, write the summary of experience.
Right.
Always maintain minimum 2 examples in level 2 and level 3. So that is the main part. So I have taken care all these guidelines notes and all these keywords, and I have taken all this in my submissions. With lot of iterations I have submitted to RICS, and in first attempt RICS approved my submissions.
Wow, that's
So, and I have written the case study also in a chronological manner, where third person also can understand easily.
right.
So there is no comments from RICS. Immediately they called me for interview.